three-day Patna Literature Festival kicked off on Friday and will host more than 40 authors, cultural activists, historians, journalists and filmmakers. This is the second day of the festival and the organizers say they hope to revive Bihar's rich cultural and literary tradition. Alok Pandey reports.
On a gloomy, rained-out day in Patna, this was perhaps the city's silver lining. The three-day Patna Literature Festival, now in its second year, being held at the city's museum. According to the organizers, it was in 1936 that the first literature meet was organized in Patna, with the city hosting a Bangla authors meet featuring eminent writers like Niraj C. Chaudhary and Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. Over the centuries, Bihar has contributed immensely to not only Hindi and Urdu literature, but also to regional languages like Maithili, Bhojpuri and Magahi. In the last few decades, however, there has been a steady decline in the showcasing of literature and the arts in Patna and across Bihar. The 90s and the early 2000s saw enormous social and political churning, with Lalu Yadav and his wife Rabri Devi at the helm of Bihar. And the state came to be known more for underdevelopment and caste killings. Since Nitish Kumar took over in 2005, the killings have fallen. Bihar's human development indicators have improved. And people like heart surgeon Ajit Pradhan, who promotes art and culture through his NGO, the Nafras School of Performing Arts, say they are keen to revive the state's lost literary scene.
To run a show like this, it's a really, really great trouble. It's a nightmare, you can't get sponsors. And then the second biggest problem is to get people around.
And so the Patna Lit Fest is trying to be different. More than 50% of the sessions involve authors in regional languages. And that means that people like Maithili author Taranand Niyogi also have a platform to showcase their work. Niyogi has published 33 books in Hindi and Maithili.
अगर आप जो कंसेप्ट बाहर के लोगों का रहा है लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल को लेके अगर बिल्कुल आप वही करते हैं तो फिर आप नया क्या करते हैं और इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस में जो काम आज के दिन में हो रहा है वो काम उभर के हमारे बीच आए तो दरअसल ये करने लायक काम है और इस मायने में अगर देखा जाए तो इन आयोजकों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है.
The Patna Lit Fest is also trying to juxtapose literature with art and craft. This session, for instance, discussed art and literature in an unequal society and featured Dayanita Singh, an artist-photographer who has published 11 books, and sculptor Subodh Gupta, who grew up in Patna.
I think there needs to be a lot more of that. I think the art fair needs to have the literary component as well. And like I said in my talk, I'm very interested in this third space, a space between literature and art.
The star attraction at the festival, author Vikram Seth, has a Patna connection. He lived here from the age of 6 to 16 and will debut his full English translation of the Hanuman Chalisa at the festival.
Well, it will be very difficult not to see that as a positive step. It's a wonderful thing that's happening. Patna has always been a great city. For me, it has a very close place in my heart. So I'm particularly happy to be back here in what is kind of, for me, the hub of the universe.
In Patna with camera person Habib Ali, Alok Pandey, NDTV.